Hey guys, this is a new video on Just Tutorials. Today I will show you guys how to install TutuApp. First, you go to any web browser. I will choose Chrome. When you get there, you search TutuApp. Then you will click the first link with the Chinese letters. You will see the site of TutuApp. You will click on Install Now. When you have installed it, click on it. You will see the install screen to install TutuApp. You click on Install and it will automatically install for you. When it's installed, you click on Open or Open. Then you get this screen. You scroll to right, another time and another time. You click on Varning. As you can see, TutuApp works, but you get ads. But I will click it away. Oh, I need to play a game. Okay. Now you can choose any game to play, because any game is modded. So I will search Shadow Fight Play. And you will search it. And here you have all the games. You can click on it, install it, see what the mod is, do everything you want. If you like this video, please subscribe, leave a message and like the video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.